In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy and affordable setup that you can set up in a bedroom or at home or in any room to get great quality voiceover recordings. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And if you are new to animation or you want to start out and you have no idea where to begin, or you feel you don't have the money for all the software, don't worry. I've compiled a list of free software. It is not pirated copies, it is freeware. And in the description box below, there's a link. Just click there and I will send that list to you. This list compiles of 2D animation, 3D animation, script writing, storyboarding, video editing, and audio recording and mixing software. So everything, all the software that you're going to need to create awesome animations in a list. So if you want that list in the description box below, just click there and I'll send that list to you. Now today we're going to look at a very affordable way how you can get great quality audio recordings, voiceover recordings for your animations, and I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't have all the equipment. So let's go to a bedroom of mine and let me show you what you can do. Hey guys, so I am now behind my camera, so please excuse if the audio quality is not the same, but I'm here in one of the bedrooms and I just want to show you a very easy setup that you can do at your home as well. Okay, so as you will see, I've got my microphone, I've got a pop filter, I've got a vocal shield, obviously the cable, the mic cable, mic stand, and then I've got a towel here behind against the closet, but I will talk about the towel a bit later. So the microphone is a Samson CO3 microphone, and it is a condenser microphone. So if you want to do voiceovers, the best microphone is a condenser microphone. That is what they use in studios. That's also what they use at all like Nickelodeon, Pixar, Disney. That's the standard. It's the best microphone. You'll get the best quality. Now, if I can just give you a little tip, a condenser microphone works with power, with 48 volts phantom power. So you need to power it up. Okay. So in order to do that, you need to run the audio cable to a microphone preamp, and then the preamp needs to run into an audio interface that runs into your computer, and that is the only way you can get your audio into your computer. Okay, so it will actually end up being very expensive to get a microphone, the cable, the preamp, and the audio interface. So if I can give you a tip, you get USB condenser microphones. In fact, this is the Samson CO3, and you actually get the Samson CO1U, which is a USB microphone, which means you can just it doesn't come with the audio cable, it comes with a USB cable. So you plug the USB cable here at the bottom and you plug it in directly into your computer, and that is how you capture the audio. So you bypass the mic cable, the mic preamp, as well as the audio interface. So it will end up working a lot cheaper to go for a condenser USB microphone. Okay, so that is the microphone covered. Then I've got the pop shield. So basically the purpose of this is especially with plosive sounds like the P's and B's, when your voiceover artists stand here and the mouth is in front, then those plosive sounds will hit the microphone, and you will hear like plosive sounds in your voiceovers, and it's very difficult to remove that. Now the vocal shield prevents that from happening. You will see that I've got my vocal shield at an angle. Normally people will put it like this. But I have learned that even if you put it like this, the wind from your mouth can still move through. But if you have it at an angle, let's do it like that, at an angle, then what happens is when the wind from your mouth hits the vocal shield, it will reflect and it will miss the microphone. So this is a great tip. Now these, you can get it very cheap, or they can become very expensive. This one of mine is pretty cheap, but you can also, on YouTube, there's a lot of videos how you can actually make your own pop filters. So maybe check that out to save some more money. You can actually make your own. Then I've got a vocal shield. This is just to prevent all the audio bouncing around the room into your microphone. So it prevents that reverb, ambient sound in your microphone or in your recordings. So this is the best way to prevent that. But a lot of people say it doesn't work. Now the reason it doesn't work is because maybe the voiceover artist will stand here and behind them there is a flat surface. So what will happen, the audio will bounce around. It will bounce from behind the voiceover artist and it will hit the microphone. And then, so that is what they're hearing. And that is the purpose of the towel. So I have put a towel behind the voiceover artist. Now I've only put one here. You actually need to put a lot more to cover a larger area, but that will prevent the audio to bounce around and bounce back into the microphone. So if I move back, your voiceover artist will stand right there between the microphone or the vocal shield and the towels that is on the wall. So they will stand right there, and then that will sort out that problem. So that is basically all the equipment that you'll need. But you may say you don't have money for a vocal shield. So what you can do is, another tip, if I can just move this microphone stand away, is you can take a closet like this one and you can open it up. Okay, so let's do that. So I've got clothes here, and then you can put your towel against the door in the inside, and you can also do the same on the other door, and that will mean you have like a little vocal shield. So you've got a towel here, you've got that door open with a towel there, and you can put your mic stand right there facing this way, and that is basically, the clothes will absorb all the sound of your recording, so you'll have a nice clean sound with a lot of the ambience cancelled out. So that is just a basic setup that you can do at home. I hope this video has helped you. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And then also remember to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and also on that like button. It really helps out the channel. That's one way you can support the channel. So from me, Ian, I will see you guys next week with another video. God bless and happy animating.